Meet John. He is in charge of a major department in his company. John's team receives a lot of requests every day, but John can't keep track of them all. These requests are made through email, phone calls, or even through personal conversations. Mostly unstructured information. John needs to know what's happening with his team. What's occupying his team's time? Is his team performing as expected? Are they answering these requests in a reasonable time? John and his team deal with this every day. They receive a lot of small and simple requests that take up a lot of their time, keeping them away from their normal activities. So how can John manage this? Organizations have hundreds or thousands of simple but unstructured processes. These can represent up to 75% of the total number of processes in a company, generating up to millions of cases every year. Besides, simple processes have the most intense human intervention and are very error-prone, taking up to over 60% of the overall working time. This means high costs and high operational risks. Simple processes turn into a critical problem. Safira's ad hoc process framework leverages the capabilities of IBM BPM, making it simple and easy to configure and deploy business processes in less than 5 minutes. With no need for IT specialization, it's focused on business users, bringing visibility, monitoring, and service level control while reducing costs and improving performance. How easy is it to create a process? You just need to access Process Portal and click a button. Then define the process name and the process help text. You could also attach a template document or a guide with instructions. Using a drag and drop interface, you can easily create a custom form for your process data. You can add several types of controls and set the appropriate properties like length, validation, type, and tooltip. As you can see, you can build your own form in a matter of seconds. We will set the service level for this process in 2 days. The supervisor can be notified when the task is at risk or even intervene if it becomes overdue. Now, the process is ready to deploy. Users can easily start placing new requests to book a business travel. They can launch the new request right from their task list on IBM BPM Process Portal. Just fill in all your process data like cost center, departure city, and destination city, and select the recipients of your request. It's simple. Process owners and supervisors can use the performance dashboard to track in-flight instances and check on-track, at-risk, or overdue processes and act if needed. You can see who is performing according to expectations, reassign tasks that are at risk of not fulfilling the agreed service level, or even reopen closed instances. The Discovery Analytics capabilities allow process owners to start to discover and understand the process. You can analyze the number of interventions in each instance and see who is actually doing the work. From this analysis, you can fine-tune your process or consider developing an integrated and structured business process. Simple processes require simple solutions.